Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You begin by verifying physical and software basics so you don't chase ghosts. Make sure the Ethernet cable is seated or Wi-Fi shows available networks, then open Command Prompt as administrator. Once there, run ipconfig/release to drop the current lease and ipconfig/renew to request a fresh one from DHCP. This often restores a broken IP quickly. After that, run ipconfig/all and note the IP4, gateway, and DNS entries so you have a baseline for deeper steps. Once release/renew didn't fix it, rebuild the software plumbing that manages IPs. Run netch int IP reset and netch winsock reset to clear corrupted TCP/IP and socket settings. Restart afterward so changes take effect. Next, open Device Manager, update drivers, or uninstall the network adapter and let Windows rediscover it, because driver corruption often causes IP failures. While you do this, make sure the router's DHCP server is active and temporarily disabled. To finish, validate connectivity and apply a safe fallback if DHCP remains stubborn. Flush DNS with ipconfig/flushtons, then ping your gateway and 8 to confirm local and internet reachability. Success shows routing is fine. If DHCP refuses to assign, manually set a static IP4 that matches the router's subnet and correct gateway and DNS, only as a temporary measure. Reboot both PC and router to clear caches. If it still fails, run the Windows Network Troubleshooter and save its error details for the next diagnostic.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.